Guys, right? So Bitcoin recently it have been pumping very well, right? Okay, so we have completed with our midterm plans as well, right? Okay, and finally we are entering to the ocean now, right, guys? Okay, so what I mean to say is, last time, almost 3 weeks ago, I have updated you with one long-term video on Bitcoin, guys. If you have not missed that video, right, you would have been in a good profit today, right? Okay, if you have missed, right, I don't know, guys, right, I've given my best to make a video for you all those who are my followers, right, in the YouTube, right? Okay, so I have given my best and I have prepared a video for you all last time 3 weeks ago, whereby we can see for the long-term Bitcoin, right? And right, so exactly, we can see a very big huge pump coming in, right? And let's try to go over there and try to see what we have seen over there, right? Okay, on a Bitcoin, right? And what we had planned, right? And how the things are going on, right, guys? Okay, so yeah, let's go and see the Dragon's analysis, guys. All right, are you ready? Yeah, let's go. All right, okay guys, so let's try to see where we have planned, right? All right, okay, so there are lots of video for you all on my channel, right? You can check it out, right? I have been giving you all the informations, right? But you should know that Dragon never gives you the financial advice, right? Whatever I have done is only for the education purpose, and you should make your own research before you move in, right? Before you take any actions, right? Dragon is not a certified financial advisor, right? Okay, Dragon long-term Bitcoin prediction where BTC is really heading, right? 24 views, all right, 3 weeks ago, right? Okay, not much, only 24 people. If they have taken actions, right, they would have been in a good profits maybe, right, guys? Okay, so I don't know, right? Okay, so let's go and see, right, what I have said over there, right? Okay.
Hey, my buy zone, I'm looking for the buy zone above these levels, right? Okay, so above these levels, I'm going to go for the good buys on upper side, right? Okay, so whereby I'll be aiming for these levels on upper side, whereby $98,400 on upper side, right, guys? Okay, so most probably I'll be aiming for that one, all right? But most probably from these levels, right, once it happens to give a breakout on upper side, I'm going to aim for this levels almost 42% move on upper side with a small breaks that I'll be taking in this levels, right, guys? Okay, so I'm going to get one move from here, right? Okay, so right now the market have not reached on upper side, but this is really a long holding trade. You should know that one, all right? Okay, so I'm going to plan one long positions above this levels, trying to target for this longest term move, right, and upper side that's 42%, right? But we can see that market have not reached to our zone yet. All right, so what I'm thinking in these levels right now, so let's try to see that one as well, right, guys? Okay, so let's try to go for the smallest time frame, maybe a 4 hours time, not the smallest, but 4 hours time frame for this.
Okay, so that was the video, right? Okay, so hope you have checked it out, right? Okay, so I have uploaded on my channel, right? Okay, so lots of information video I have been uploading for you all, right? That was a long-term video, and let's try to go on a daily time frame and see what's happening, guys. All right, okay, so exactly, right? Okay, so in this levels I was marking for the long-term video, right? Okay, aiming for almost 40 to 42% and a precise, right? Okay, so till over here we were holding for the midterm plans, right, above these levels, right? Okay, above these levels, if it happens to break above these levels, I told you all that we are going to go for the long-term plans, right, and upper side, right, guys? Okay, so I have clearly given you the informations, but in fact I told you all that is not a financial advice, right? Okay, so you can see that a market have broken out on upper side, well, going for the small time frame, right, broken out and cleared out from my zone, so which was a very strong buy zone for me right now. So we can see that the market have moved almost, right, almost from here my entry, right, almost 11.47% without leverage, guys, right now, right? So that is a beautiful on a Bitcoin right now, the plans, right? Okay, I mean, like, the execution part is very beautiful for now, right? Okay, so I have, so this morning I have taken out already 25% of my profits, right guys, and I shifted my stop loss to the entry, so I'm still holding an upper side. I might like to look for the big longs and upper side as well, right? Okay, I'm still holding for now. So this is going to be the quick update for you all what Dragon is thinking for the long term, right? But you should know that, right, Dragon plans the long term differently and mid term differently and scalping differently. These things, three things are not getting together. All right, I can plan so many scalpings within a mid-term plans, so I can plan so many mid-term plans within a long-term plans, right? Okay, so don't get confused with this one. So some are for this small time frame, some are without leverage, right? Longer time frames I'm taking without leverage, and right, I'm holding an upper side, right, on the spot, right? Okay, so this is what I'm doing right now on a Bitcoin, right? Okay, so if you have watched this video, right, I think you would have got a beautiful informations over there, right? Okay, but you should know that Dragon is not giving you financial advice. Whatever I'm planning is what's next, guys. All right, I'm still holding, right? Okay, you should know that I'm still holding for the Bitcoin on a long term, right, which is a very beautiful 11.47% already in a profit for now, right? So we can plan small scalpings, right? For anyways, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming daily from the 11 UTC onwards, from Monday to Friday sessions. Saturday, Sunday also we try to come up, right, and try to do the scalping is done on a live stream. Mid-term I used to plan, I upload on my channel, right? On long term I upload on my channels, right? Okay, but you do your own research before you move in, right? I'm not a certified financial advisor, right? Okay, so hope everyone's doing good, and that's all for today, right? A quick update on what I'm doing, right? Okay, for the long terms, right? Okay, for the midterms, again tonight we'll, for the scalping, we'll plan it together, right? Okay, so that's all, guys. Have a good time. Bye bye. See you. Signing off, Dragon.